Okay, so in this video, I'll share with you how to add this cut-off line right between these three parts, these three column and the last column, so people can see there is a difference between these. So how to do that is that we want to, as you can see, right, even in the normal pace, right, we can learn something about how to draw a class. The first is the first point, and we draw until the hold on shift key until the end of this point, so there's a second point. So first point and the second point. So in the xy chart, this is there is a x and the y coordinate. The x coordinate is somewhere here, right? It's plotting against this. So and then the y value is 0. And the second point here is that it is the x value remain the same, but the y value is in 2000, year 2000, so it complete this value. So how do we figure out the x value? Is that let's just draw one first, right? So let's just put there as 0 0.8, 0.8. We put there as the x value, and this put as y value. We start with the 0, that's the first point. Then here we can say that it is the, just put a number here, 2000. Okay, so this plotting the second point. Now what we need to do is select the chart, go to the chart design, select data, add a series. The name will be later adding out, and here we just change it to these two value here, and click OK. Click OK. Now then we want to select this new the XY chart. We're going to right click here, change that to change the series chart type to the XY scatter line chart, and it's plot again the secondary axis. Click OK, and now we're going to change that X point right here. So right click here. At this point, we already have the secondary horizontal, right? As you can see that this plot against the number 2, x value has a number 2 and this value has a number of 1. Then let's just, but because there's no specific value, so it just plot against it. So let's just select the data, right click, select data, and let's go to look at this blank series. Okay, one moment. Let's go back here, let's just change the tab off. Okay, so we can see that's cut off right there, and right click, select data. Let's go over here, choose edit. So that's and the x value is right here. So you can see that the value is now plotted as 0.8 because according to the top here is 1.5. Okay, it's the 0.8 somewhere here. Finally, if we want to plot against this plot, you can just put that as 3 point. Right in the middle of 3 and 4 is 3 point. Yes, you got it, it's 3.5. And here 3.5. And there you are. Now here is adjusted to 2500. So it's no longer 2000, but actually if you want to fix at 2000, you can. You just select the secondary axis, right click, and then choose format axis. It's right here. Instead of putting as max automatic, you just fix it at 2000, and this also change it at 2000 0. So there you go, right? You have this line here beautifully plotted. Right click, change the color to maybe the some other light gray would be good to separate it. Okay, if you don't need this tiny grid line, you can select it and then delete it. Also, you can delete it. You can just select the item and press the delete key, uh, and so on. This one also you can select and delete it, and you don't need this. Let's say you can highlight the legend and then click on each of this item and press delete key. Press on this item here, type triple click, select the legend, click on this dummy, click delete, click on this legend, click again on dummy, click delete, and we have a beautiful chart, right? So as for the chart title, we can press the function key F2. It will go to the formula bars and you click equal, click on this title here, click OK. It'll have stack column chart and so on. So you can say that uh, 3 years, 3 years performance, group performance. So we can say that 3 years group performance chart uh, with largest column, 3 years group performance with last color as last 3 years total. And here you go, you can right click here, change add data label, and so on, right? So thanks for watching. Thank you. I hope this as you learn something very useful as it will save you time when you create this complex data chatting chart.